Limerence is the obsessive-compulsive thinking about another person, where you want more out of that relationship than they are capable or want to give you.
We have a personal responsibility to actually deal with reality instead of faulting someone for not meeting our unrealistic expectations. So, and why is this important, right? Because everyone wants to know, like, well, why is this relevant to me? Why should I care about this? There's too much content to consume all over the internet. Why this? Don't you want to know if your thoughts are fucking you over?
Yes. And don't you want to know how to step out of your own anxieties?
Yes, and have that control and to be able to realize, oh, that's actually not someone else's problem. That's my problem, and I can deal with it because it's in my control. It hands you back healthy power and healthy control if you're willing to be the good observer about yourself and be personally responsible. Sips of Sanity airs the first week of every month on patreon.com/the Sarlos.